Hello, dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear children, today we are going to learn something about birds. So, you will take out your EVS book, chapter number 9, that is Birds Around Us, page number 60. Birds, they are the most beautiful creatures in the world. Their body is very different from other animals. Let's find out more about birds. A bird is an animal with feathers. It has a pair of wings, a beak, and a tail. Birds can fly high by using their wings. They have two legs. They live on trees and they build up nests on the tree. Either they build nest on the tree or on the top of some houses, some buildings, or in some corners, etc. The feathers which are present on their body protect them from bad weather. And these feathers, they also give shape to these birds. Different birds have different colored feathers. Some birds are really very beautiful, like peacock, parrot. They have colorful feathers present on their body, which makes their body very beautiful. Now, dear children, let's have a look at the picture of a bird given in your book. As you can see it in your book, the body of a bird is divided into head, trunk, and the tail. It also has legs, beak present over here, and wings which are present here on the side portion. So children, the body of a bird is usually divided into head, which is it on the head it has two eyes present on the both side of the head. Plus it has a beak also present there. The trunk, this is the trunk portion, or we can say the chest portion. It has a pair of legs also with the feet or the claws present over there. Then it also has a pair of wings and it also has a tail at the back of its body. Dear children, do you know the eyesight or the eye vision of a birds are very strong. When they are flying high in the sky, they can find out an insect present on the ground, on the earth, and they can get back and they can catch that insect or that grain or anything from that. Children, do you know that birds are the only animals which has feathers present on their body? As I told you earlier, they fly with the help of their wings. They have strong muscles which helps the wings to move, which help their wings to move. They are called the chest muscles. They are present in the trunk portion over here. These chest muscles help the birds to fly in flying. They help the wings to fly. They help them wings to. Why a bird can fly longer time in the sky? It's because the muscles are strong. These muscles makes the wings also strong, which helps the wings to move for a longer time in the sky. These muscles help them to move their wings, and they are also called flight muscles. The body of a bird is designed to help it to fly. It is shaped like a boat. It's pointed in the front and at the back. The pointed head and the beak help the bird to cut through the air. This is called streamlined body. The shape of a bird's body is streamlined, pointed in the front, then it goes like this, and again it is pointed at the back. This shape is called the streamlined shape, which is pointed in the front and pointed at the back. The body of a bird is light because it is made of hollow bones. Children, I have told you this earlier also. in our previous classes also when we were doing lessons regarding animals that the bones of a birds are hollow, and it's because of these hollow bones the body weight of a bird is very less, and this less weight helps the bird in flying. They fly for more time in the sky, they fly for a longer period of a time because their body is very light. The tail of a bird help it to change the direction while flying. A bird's mouth, it is in the form of a beak and it does not have any teeth. Okay children, let's recapitulate the reasons why the birds can fly. First of all, they have a light body. Why they have a light body? Because their bones are hollow. Number 2, they have a pair of wings and feathers which are present on their body. And one more important thing is the shape of the bird's body. The shape of a bird's body is streamlined, which helps them to fly. Now, dear children, there are some birds which cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. There are more than 9,000 different kinds of birds found in the world. Most of them can fly, but there are some birds that cannot fly. For example, ostrich. An ostrich is a bird which cannot fly. Why it cannot fly? It has wings, it has feathers, but still the bird cannot fly because the body weight of this bird is very more. It has a heavy body. That is why it cannot fly. There are some other birds also like kiwis, cassowaries, penguins. They all have wings but they cannot fly. Penguin, they have a huge body because they have lot of fat present in its body. They use their wings to swim in the water. Birds, so dear children, a bird's body is divided into head, trunk, tail, a pair of wings, beaks, legs, and one more important thing, the beak does not possess any teeth. Bird does not have any teeth. Now, dear children, let's learn about their wings. That is the most important part of their body. It's because of the wings the birds are able to fly. We know that bird's body is covered with feathers and they are an important part of bird's body. They help the bird to fly, keep them warm and give shape to their body. Usually birds have 3 types of feathers. Number 1 is the down feather. These down feathers, they grow close to the skin and keep the bird warm. These feathers are short, soft and fluffy. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Then comes number 2, that is body feathers. These feathers round out the streamlined body of a bird. They cover the entire body of a bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Number 3, flight feathers. These feathers are large in size. These feathers are found in the tail and wings. They help birds to lift themselves and provide a balance for flight. And these feathers are present on wings and tail, and they help the bird to fly. And as I told you earlier, the tail helps to change the direction while flying. So dear children, the birds have 3 main type of feathers present on their body. That is the down feather, body feather and flight feathers. I hope your today's lesson is clear to everybody. Thank you.